So let us look at the question. Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. So radius of this circle is equal to 5 meter. Let us first write the given radius is equal to 5 meter. O is the center of the circle, so OR is equal to OS is equal to OM. All of them will be equal to 5 meter. Reshma throws a ball to Salma. Reshma throws ball to Salma. Salma to Mandeep. Mandeep to Reshma. If distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each. So RS, distance between Reshma and Salma, is 6 meter, and distance between Salma and Mandeep SM is also 6 meter. What is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So to find, we have to find RM, the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Now let us solve it. We have a construction. To solve this problem, we need to drop perpendicular. So what are the perpendiculars? So construction first is OS is perpendicular to OM. OS perpendicular to RM, which intersects RM at point C. Therefore, OC will be also perpendicular to RM. And the second construction is OA is perpendicular to RS, dropping a perpendicular from the center of the circle on RS, on the chord RS. So let us begin. Now OA is perpendicular. OA is perpendicular to RS. So let us mark it down. OA is perpendicular RS and OC is perpendicular to RM. As OA is perpendicular to RS, the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. Therefore, we can write RA is equal to half of RS. Always write the reason. Perpendicular from center, perpendicular from center to the chord, perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. So whenever you write a statement, you have to give the reason. Because OA is perpendicular to RS, RA will be half of RS. So RA is half of RS. But we know that value of RS is equal to 6 meter. Therefore, RA is half into 6, so equal to 3 meter. Value of RA is equal to 3 meter. Now consider triangle OAR. In triangle OAR, because angle A is 90 degree, it is a right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle OAR, hypotenuse, which is side opposite to the 90 degree, OR in this case, OR square is equal to OA square plus RA square. Write the reason by Pythagoras theorem. Always write the reason. Now what is value of OR? OR is the radius of the circle, which is equal to 5 meter. So 5 square is equal to OA is unknown, OA square plus RA we just know as 3 meter, 3 square. Therefore 25 is equal to OA square plus square of 3 is 9. Therefore OA square is equal to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. Therefore OA will be equal to 4 meter. So we get the value of OA, which is equal to 4 meter. Now let us find the area of triangle ORS. Formula for area of triangle is half into base into height. RS is the base, OA is the height. We know that OA is 4 meters and OS are known, but the base RS is equal to 6 meter. Therefore, area triangle ORS is equal to half into base is RS into height is OA. So this will be equal to half. RS we know is 6 multiplied by OA we have just found out is 4. So this will be equal to 6 4s are 24 upon 2, 12 meter square. So area of triangle ORS is 12 meter square. But do we have any other way to find the area? We can also consider OS as the base and RC as the height, because OC is perpendicular to RM. So this angle is also 90 degree. So area can also be written as area triangle ORS can also be written as half into, now height will be RC, base will be OS. So OS base multiplied by height will be RC. But area we have already calculated. 12 is equal to half into OS is the radius of the circle, which is equal to 5 multiplied by RC. Therefore 12 into 2 upon 5 is equal to RC. Therefore RC is equal to 12 2s are 24 upon 5. 24 divided by 5 will be 4.8 meters. So value of RC is 4.8 meters. Now we need to find RM. We have found out RC. Which property we can use? We will use the property which we have utilized at the beginning of this solution. We know that OC is a perpendicular on the chord RM. Now, perpendicular to the chord from the center bisects the chord. So, let us use that property. RC will be half of RM. Reason: perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Therefore, 4.8 will be equal to half of Rm. Therefore, Rm will be equal to 2 into 4.8, which is equal to 9.6 meter. So it will be equal to 9.6 meter. Therefore, we can write, therefore, the distance between Reshma and Mandeep is 9.6 meters.